All right, guys. So I've been away on vacation last week and a half or so. Came back and just had a lot of work stuff that I was grinding through. Big quarterly meeting. So yeah. But I'm back today. Not at the top of my game, but still back. So my best trade is BNTX. So it dropped, bounced off the previous day level, as you can see here in the 5 minute. Started making its way up. I took it on the short side just because this was like a previous level. Like you can see here, it got rejected here, it's struggling here, and so I was thinking, okay, maybe it'll be on the short side. Took it, took it as a short, but set a pretty tight stop of loss of that level. It dropped, kind of struggled around here, it popped, and then I basically got out at break even. It kept on running up. I kind of was playing something else, watching it a bit, and then at some point here, yes, so it kind of made its way up and down, and then I looked at it and I saw that it broke through below all these levels. So there's like, multiple previous day levels there, and also, yeah, so a lot of resistance. So I took it on the short side. We took it on the short side. It dropped. I didn't cover here just because my level was. I was thinking it'll make its way back down towards VWAP, which is what it's attempting to do now. But I'm all out. It didn't really do anything. And originally I had set my level here, but when it popped up above that, I was thinking, okay, this stock was up all day. It needs to go back down. So I've actually added to my position here, and I just moved my stop loss to adjust for the newer average. And still, by doing that, I'm still keeping to, having and playing towards the levels of resistance and support. So now I think I was looking at the 5 minute, and I moved mine to like $249.20. Just because at that point it would have broken through all the levels of resistance, which is technically supporting my my short the thesis. So that's what I did. I added to my position, and then just kind of watched it and see what happens. It just chopped around, and I felt more confident as time went by, just because the longer it stays below all this levels of resistance, the higher the probability of it dropping. And I started to get out at around this level that you can see, is because this is a level of support. So sometimes it just breaks through a bit and then pops right back up, especially if it's a strong stock. So that's what my fear is, and that's why I got out around that level of support. It was getting kind of late at the end of the day. Usually, at that point, it would trend towards the direction it was moving towards the entire day. So that was my trade on BNTX. SQ kind of chopped me up a bit, and I lost money on that. So this is, SQ again, up all day. This time, it looked like it was going for a break of, this level. So there's this level here. It went down, dropped, and then it looked like it was going to go for a break. So took it on the long side, and then I had to cover. Go here. So took it on the long side, added to my position, and then once it broke below that, I just covered and got out. However, the stock on the long term, it recovered, it dropped back down towards the level of support here, and then it did what I anticipated to do, which is break all the way through to 251. I thought it was going to go up to 250. That's where I set my sell limit order, but it broke through all the way up to 251, and then it came back down. And so when it came back down, I thought it was going to be a short now. So I took it on the short side, and again, I set my stop loss above the level of resistance. And so once it broke that, I got stopped out. And then it chopped around here. Now it's coming back down. But now it's beyond me. I'm done for the day. So not bad. I'm green for the day, but it's not a big green or anything like that. A bit rusty. So anyway, so that's it. That's my trade, and hope you guys are doing well. And please like and subscribe. I really want to move up the subscriber count. So thank you all for the ones who are returning and watching. All right, take care. Bye.